Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be talking about my top travel essentials. So these are some of the must-haves that I really recommend every time you're in transit, especially if you're going to a cold country. So last December, I went to 4 cold countries in Eastern Europe during the holidays. So these were some of the things that were on my travel bag, because I realized that it's better to pack a handful of things that are really important and really useful for cold weather. So I hope you keep watching to know more about them. So basically, my top rule is I fit everything inside this pouch. So all of my journals, a few of my skincare products, I put them here. And what I like about this is it's not too big, it's not too small, and I carry a backpack with me when I check in my flight. So I want everything to fit here. First up are these creams, shea butter creams by L'Occitane. So the first one is a hand cream. So this one is made of honey, almond, and coconut oil. So you know how when we travel, our hands get really dry and really cracked and it feels uncomfortable. So this one is really great, and it's a great way to moisturize your hands while you're traveling, and the size is pretty handy. So you just put a small amount on your hands, and then just spread them all together. It smells really good. It's very mild, and what I like about it is it doesn't make your hands greasy and oily. And then the other one is a foot cream. It's also made of shea butter, and this one is really great to massage on your feet after a long or tiring day, and when your feet are feeling irritated. And you know, sometimes when you're in cold weather and you wear boots or sneakers or covered up shoes, they tend to make your skin extra dry, especially on the soles of your feet. So this is a great way to moisturize that area of your body. So actually, the shea butter line of L'Occitane is pretty popular because it's like a beauty must-have, and a lot of people swear by it. So apart from the hand and foot creams, they also have the cleansing water. So this one is great for removing makeup and product from your face, and I actually like the smell. It smells pretty good. It's not also too strong. And apart from that, there's also this one. It's the Ultra Light Body Cream. So it's kind of like a lotion, but it's actually firm. So what's nice about this is, you know how, again, when you put lotion or anything that's, lotion on your body, this one doesn't leave that much of a residue, so it doesn't make your skin slippery and you don't feel greasy afterwards, and at the same time, it also moisturizes parts of your skin. I also bring a small bottle of EDT just so I can apply it before I land, and every time I need to smell good, I put it on my body. So to document my travels, I bring with me my travel journal. This is what I usually bring, like this is the maximum size. And I fill it up with sketches and illustrations while I'm in transit. So I love to draw and write and paint. So this is my creative outlet every time I'm away. I also bring, of course, paint for my travel journal. So I bring a water brush. This is what it looks like. This one can store water, so it's pretty handy. I also bring a watercolor set that I combined myself. I also bring with me a smaller journal. So apart from drawing, I also like writing and doing a lot of collages while I'm in transit. I also take with me a sticker file folder thing. So this is small, and what I like about this is I put like washi tags and other stickers and other stuff that I want to use for journaling in here. Lastly is, of course, a pencil case. So I don't really bring a lot of pens. I only bring at least just a regular pen or a side pen. And then again, my water brush. I have to bring a pencil and eraser, and sometimes I bring a brush pen or like a different colored pen just to play things up a bit. But to be honest, I realized that over the years I shouldn't bring too much pens. Like, I don't have to bring 10, I only can bring like 4 or 5, and that's actually more than enough. So that's it for my list of travel essentials. I hope you found them useful. And by the way, I'm having a workshop this coming February with L'Occitane Philippines. It's basically about travel journaling and it's called A Fresh Start. I'll be posting more details about it soon, so don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram also for updates. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to comment and leave ideas, or if you found this video very useful. And if you have any more questions, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to click on the bell to turn on post notifications about my channel and get updated with new content. Thank you and hope to see you soon. Bye!